If Instagram doesn't have photo access on your Android device, here's how to fix it. First, check if Instagram has permission to access your photos. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, Instagram, Permissions, then tap Photos and Videos and select Allow or Allow access to all photos. If the issue persists, restart your phone and try again. Sometimes a simple restart can refresh system settings and fix permission issues. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update it if available. If the problem continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram to reset permissions. Check if your storage is full. If your phone has low storage, Instagram may not be able to save or access media files. Free up space by deleting unnecessary files or apps. If none of these work, log out and log back into your account or try using a different account to check if the issue is account related. That's it. Hopefully Instagram will now access your photos without issues. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.